AJ, isn't that a little backwards where Buster's supposed to be in the cage? What are you doing? No, don't eat that. That's 5. No. No. Hey, AJ. You're not a dog. Hi. You know, if someone walked in, they'd think I keep you in here. Hi. AJ. Oh, at least you got your basketball. You're all set. Are you camera shy?
No.
Are you camera shy? Are you? Peekaboo. Why are you in the cage? Why are you in the cage? Excuse me. You need a brother or sister, so you don't think you're half dog. AJ. Hello. Come out. Come out of the cage. Yay. Don't forget your ball. Still in there. Hi. AJ, 1. Say 2. 2. Good job! You said it. 1. What comes after 1? 1. Okay, this is getting boring. Say goodbye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.